Nanobabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, we are excited because it's going to be a different vlog sa mga usual na ginagawa natin, guys. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Nissan Clark, Pampanga, and we were invited to test drive yung bagong-bago nilang sasakyan, guys.
So that is Nissan Navara Pro-4x.
So hot, so hot.
Yes.
Nagpapasalamat kami Nissan Clark for inviting us. Grabe, this is actually the biggest and the longest Nissan in Philippines.
Yes. So this is under Laos Group of Company. At the same time, titignan din natin kung ano yung specs,
Features,
price,
yes,
and experience ng Nissan Navara nila.
Exactly. So guys, if you want to know more about this new vehicle, samahan niyo po in this vlog.
So tara, let's go!
So I'm Riley po from the Customer Experience Department. So kami po yung nagdi-discuss nung Intelligent Mobility or the Nissan Intelligent Mobility together pagka halimbawa nag-test drive po tayo. So sa ngayon, I'll start muna, of course, kilala si Nissan sa air conditioning. So kagandahan sa air conditioning system natin, we have what we call the dual capacity. So we can select a higher temperature sa may right side or either sa left side, since doon nga tayo known for the AC. So aside from that, since malaki yung sasakyan natin, we are benchmarking for all the safety in terms of the Nissan Intelligent Mobility to. So start with, meron tayong tinatawag na Intelligent All-Around View Monitor. So si Intelligent All-Around View Monitor, let's say for example, I have intentions of going forward. So para ma-assure ko na wala akong obstruction sa harapan, so I can click on camera and it will give me the view of the full 360 na sasakyan together with the camera in front para masabi sa akin kung meron bang obstruction. So MOD stands for the Moving Object Detector. So basically, pag may dumaan or gumalaw po sa harapan, i-a-advise tayo ng sasakyan para hindi natin mabangga or hindi natin masagasaan yung nasa harapan. So of course, pag nag-reverse tayo, automatic na rin po si All-Around View Monitor, and then si MOD naman po lilipat sa pinakamalaking camera natin, which is yung nasa likod natin. From the reverse, pagka nagpunta tayo going forward, for example, automatic naman na si camera.
So syempre hindi tayo magpapahuli, susubukan din natin yung i-test drive yung kanilang Nissan Navara Pro-4x. So let's go!
Meron tayong tinatawag na blind spot warning. So si blind spot warning naman po, habang tumatakbo tayo, so yung mga icons natin sa mga side mirrors natin, iilaw yan or magbiblink yan depende kung gaano kalapit at kung gaano ka most likely na mabangga natin yung mga yung sumasabay sa atin. Aside from that, we have the lane departure warning. Si lane departure warning naman, most of the time, no, pagka halimbawang lumampas yung ating sasakyan sa linya na guide natin, tumutulog po yung sasakyan. So aside from the ABS, anti-brake locking system, we also have the EBD na tinatawag. So the electronic brake force distribution. So it helps us na ibato yung much needed force dun sa side kung saan mas mabigat. Para hindi ka magsiskid basta-basta, and then hindi rin yung feeling na pagka halimbawang pepreno ka, parang mapuputol yung preno mo. So assisted yung braking capacity mo. So tatakbo po ako ng 100 kilometers and then I'll try to brake po, sudden brake, para maramdaman natin na yung capacity ng sasakyan. Sasakyan din natin, naka VGS turbo rin siya. So ang kaibahan niya sa ibang turbo, kahit na po yung iba kasi kailangan meron kang required speed para mag-activate yung turbo niya. Ito, nakabuka na agad siya, so kahit habang tumatakbo ka, lalong nag-activate or bumibilis yung turbo natin. So I'm on 100 na po. So pepreno lang po ako, ha. So yan po ang feeling ng EBD. So halos wala kang nararamdaman.
Ayos!
Di ba po?
Pwede?
Nice!
Pwede ya?
Smooth.
Smooth.
So impressive.
That's actually magaan siya. Ito, magaan yung sasakyan, yung manubela niya. So tingnan naman natin yung brake kanina, yung ginawa ni John. 80, 100. Galing! Pero grabe, hindi mo mararamdaman sa katawan mo yung parang G-force or pull ng ano sa isa pang ikot.
Ang maganda pa dito sa Pro-4x, meron tayong tinatawag na forward collision warning. Ia-alarm niya tayo na kailangan na nating mag-hit ng brake, especially pag merong naka-stop na sasakyan sa harapan natin. And in the event na, for example, hindi na talaga kayanin ng preno natin, we have the emergency braking system na tinatawag. So yun ang isa sa mga bago din kay Nissan Navara. So meron din tayong tinatawag na VDC or the Vehicle Dynamic Control System. So tumatakbo tayo, halimbawa pupunta tayo ng Baguio, biglang hindi mo napansin, sharp curve pala or curve pala. So hindi tayo mahihirapan i-maneuver yung sasakyan, hindi parang tumatapon yung feeling or papalo yung puwet. And ngayon, kung i-compare natin sa coil spring, ito naman is naka dual rate coil spring. So ibig sabihin yung suppression ratio po niya and then yung tagtag talagang hindi na natin halos mararamdaman. Because per our customer feedback, of course, our client feedback, maganda na talaga yung ride niya. So in terms naman sa dual rate, of course, mas dinoble natin yung comfort. Aside from that, meron tayong 5-link suspension system. Yun yung nagpapaganda ng ride natin. Even for example, tumatakbo tayo ng mabilis and then we need to evade on something, biglang may sumulpot, then hindi basta-bastang magro-roll over yung sasakyan natin or hindi mag-fishtail. Now, if you're talking about performance, the power output of the Navara is 190. And then the maximum torque is 450. So it doesn't matter po if you go for the Pro-4x or the lower version of it. Yung nakagandahan kay Nissan, hindi niya tinipid yung performance. So nagkakaiba-iba lang po dun sa Nissan Intelligent Mobility or the technology natin. And then when you needed power po talaga, kahit tapakan mo siya pedal to metal, talaga ibibigay niya sa iyo yung power. Yung isang maganda. So as you can see din, yung upuan natin, these are zero gravity seats. So para kang astronaut. So medyo hina-half niya yung hindi masyadong back straining yung upuan natin. So even if you go for long ride, hindi siya masakit, especially for do sa mga nagmamaneho. So kahit paano yung ergonomics ng katawan mo, medyo sinusupport niya yung back mo, kaya hindi masyado din masakit siya. The 4x4 capacity of the Navara is shift on fly. So ibig sabihin, kahit na tumatakbo ka, you can switch from 4x4 to 4x2. And then we also have the differential lock. So basically, sa differential lock, para hindi ka mahirapang mag-maneuver or umandar, especially sa mga trails, no? So hindi ka nahihirapan. We also have the limited slip. So hahanapin niya kung saan merong traction para mas matulungan niya yung sasakyan, hindi ka mabalahaw. And of course, since yung mga mahilig magbiyahe, kasi hindi lang naman go anywhere yung sasakyan natin, we also can go yung mga long drives, no? We also have the cruise control. Driver's decision pa rin, kahit na marami tayong technology na nakalagay din sa Nissan Navara.
So bro, if I may ask, given a chance, no, are you for a pickup or a sedan or SUV?
If ever ako na kukuha ng sasakyan, I'll go for pickup. Kasi una, pang carry ng mga load, at the same time, ang forma.
Siyempre ako naman, since family guy na tayo, so more on comfort at saka kumbaga comfort din ng mga sinasakay ko. So more on cruise ako. If I were to ask then kung pick-up, SUV or sedan, so since galing tayong sedan, medyo nag-enjoy na tayo dun sa mga elevated mga vehicles, driving mga ganito. Kasi clear na yung daan. Ayan. Safety feature din yan sa mga drivers na alam mong komportable din yung mga sakay mo, diba? So I'm more of a cruise guy. Siguro magagamit natin yung mga ganitong sasakyan for a long drive. Alright, so again guys, thank you so much for being with us. And grabe yung experience natin, Mark. How was your experience?
Experience for the Nissan Pro-4x is gustong-gusto ko talaga yung ano niya, braking system niya. So hindi mo ramdam yung kapag sudden brake, yung gravity force niya. Ang sarap niya sa ano pa rin, i-drive.
Actually yung feature na yung nag-stand out talaga sa atin. No? And I think that's one of the important din. Aside from meron siyang, of course, may mga safety system siya. Maganda yung aesthetics, mga ganyan. But at the end of the day, safety and comfort, yun talaga nag-stand out sa atin, no?
Yun. So, ang smooth and ang sarap niyang i-drive.
So guys, if you are interested to test drive, actually no commitment required after nyo mag-test drive. Kumbaga gusto nyo lang ma-experience yun.
They are open for test drive dito sa may Nissan Clark. So they are located dito sa may Clark Auto Zone. So ang pinaka-landmark mo is yung Laos Savi.
Yes. Alright, so kasama natin ngayon si Ma'am Abbei. Actually, siya yung kumontak sa atin. And thank you so much, Ma'am, for the experience. Na for our viewers po, for the Navara, Ma'am, the newest Navara natin, magkano po yung SRP natin?
Bali, starting po natin is nasa 1.1. And then, for the Pro-4x po is 1,849,000. Yes po. So, for reservations po and for other inquiries, you may contact me at 0918-854-2997. Pwede din sila mag-message through our official Facebook page, Nissan Clark, and yung Facebook page ko din po na Nissan Clark by Abbei Dungo.
There you go! So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, lalong-lalo na yung mga nag-anticipate or nagbabalak na kumuha ng pick-up or nag-additional ng, kumbaga, additional vehicle for probably business or off-roading. Napaganda yan. Uso-uso ngayon yan. So make sure to check out Nissan Clark. Check out nyo yung Nissan Navara nila.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.